My uncle texted me and needs my help. Let him grab some things first. It's fine. I'll do the heavy lifting. Ouch.
I just kind of want to get these put on because
It's rolling. It's going that way.
oh. That's not the original 400.
That is not the original 400, but
yeah,
it is the
the
original.
original 400 car. T-Y-R-O-L, I guess that's how you pronounce it, tire roll.
And you said these calipers are kind of weird, right?
They are definitely weird. 4 piston as opposed to most of them are just single piston. And these leak ones are very prone to leak.
And you said these are like the Corvette ones, though?
I think they're almost identical.
So they only put these on for 2 years.
They got rid of them, yeah, because of why we were replacing them.
Oh.
They leaked.
So is it not coming loose?
I haven't tried it yet.
I'm getting it to move. Just had to kind of work it back and forth. Hopefully that's all it needed. Hey, looks like they're gonna come off.
Oh, well, that was, I heard something go. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna have to reuse them brake pads. You have to take that pin out.
Oh,
It's
I see
really
it.
weird.
Yep. Okay.
It's weird, isn't it? It's the only ones I've ever seen. Well, the Corvette ones are probably like that.
These still look nice, though.
I know. I think I might have painted them.
Oh, okay.
I think that one there may be original. I replaced this one on the other side. No, this one feels like keyhole brake. It's probably from 1967.
Oh. So how long have you had this?
I got it 2 months before I met Angie. I got it spring Carlisle, 94, which has been like April of 94.
Did you put the motor in it?
Me and Angie did.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Bolts over here had lock washers on, or split washers.
Oh yeah?
Those ones didn't.
That's maybe because that one was a rebuilt cow. Well, no, that wouldn't have anything to do with it.
Ooh.
Vice grips.
Is
That
it-
one don't seem to fit real good. I probably use vice grips on the floor. That's probably why it's like.
Oh, yeah.
I'm saying you ain't got no choice at this point.
But I'd like to be able to get that loose. That'd be nice. Which one do I have?
This is shit.
Oh, I have this one.
Yeah. See if you can get the other one. The other line.
The line? Oh. Uh-oh. All right. There.
No leak so far?
Nope. Because one of the holes was way longer than the other one. So we had to make an adapter and a fitting, but we had to do a new line because of it.
Okay.
Oh. All right. Well, all right. I'm gonna take off.
I appreciate it, yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
I really do. Thanks for helping.
Oh, you're welcome.